Hello friends, in this lecture we will know about pocket command. So pocket command is basically used to remove the material just like we do in the pad. So it is a kind of reverse of pad. So we can find this pocket command below this pad option. If I click on this arrow we have pocket, draft field pocket and multi pocket. So to use this pocket feature, first of all we need to create some pad. So I go to pad option and then click on this sketch. Select this top plane and then go to rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. We can take this rectangle of any dimensions and then click on exit sketch. So let's say I give this value 2 and click on preview and then click OK. And now I want to remove the material from this pad. So for this I go to this pocket option and click on this pocket. For this pocket we can see it is similar to the pad window. First thing, it is highlighting the limit option. So we have type like dimension, up to next, up to last, plane and surface. So these are all similar options as we have done in the pad tool. So now we need to create some sketch. So I go to sketch option and then select this top surface. And then I go to circle and draw a circle. So we need to draw a circle onto this pad. So draw a circle like this, give it some dimensions and then click on exit workbench. And then since we want to remove the material, so direction of this pad should be in the downward. Okay, and then click on preview and click OK. And now we can see the material has been removed. So that is the use of pad tool.